1. Keto chicken stir-fry. Sliced chicken, breast and stir-fry with low-carb veggies, like broccoli, peppers, and mushrooms. 2. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and toss with homemade or store-bought pesto. 3. Cauliflower fried rice. Pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice, and stir-fry with veggies and a protein of your choice. 4. Bacon-wrapped chicken tenders. Wrap chicken tenders in bacon and bake in the oven for a protein-packed meal. 5. Keto egg muffins. Whisk eggs with your favorite keto-friendly veggies and bake in muffin cups for a grab-and-go breakfast. 6. Keto tuna salad. Mix canned tuna with mayo, mustard, and diced celery for a quick and easy lunch. 7. Baked salmon with lemon and herbs. Top salmon fillets with sliced lemon and fresh herbs and bake in the oven for a flavorful dinner. 8. Portobello mushroom pizzas. Top portobello mushroom caps with low-carb pizza sauce, cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. 9. Shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. Stir-fry shrimp with broccoli, garlic, and ginger for a quick and easy low-carb meal. 10. Buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. Shred cooked chicken and toss with buffalo sauce, then wrap in lettuce leaves for a low-carb lunch or dinner. 11. Keto meatballs. Mix ground beef with almond flour, egg, and spices to make keto-friendly meatballs that can be eaten alone or with zucchini noodles. 12. Baked avocado eggs. Have an avocado and crack an egg into each half, then bake in the oven for a protein-packed breakfast. 13. Keto Caesar salad. Toss romaine lettuce with Caesar dressing, grated Parmesan, cheese, and grilled chicken for a quick and easy low-carb lunch. 14. Steak and vegetable kebabs. Thread steak and low-carb veggies like bell peppers and onions onto skewers and grill or bake in the oven. 15. Cauliflower mac and cheese. Pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice, then mix with cheese sauce for a low-carb version of mac and cheese. 16. Keto chili. Brown ground beef and mix with tomatoes, peppers, and spices for a low-carb chili that can be made in a slow cooker or on the stove. 17. Broiled salmon with asparagus. Broil salmon fillets with asparagus and lemon for a quick and easy low-carb dinner. 18. Keto avocado toast. Mash avocado and spread on low-carb bread, then top with a fried egg for a satisfying breakfast or lunch. 19. Greek salad with grilled chicken. Toss cucumber, tomato, feta cheese, and grilled chicken with a lemon vinaigrette for a low-carb Greek salad. 20. Keto chicken tenders. Coat chicken tenders in almond flour and spices and bake in the oven for a crispy, low-carb meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.